Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about any Porsche Macan GTS 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Porsche Macan GTS 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. The 2023 Macan is the latest SUV by Porsche. It has strong rivals in the market named Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q5, BMW X5, and Mercedes-Benz GLC Class SUV. Pros. Here are the pros of Porsche Macan GTS 2023. Powerful engine options. Agile handling. Handsome, well-built interior. Straightforward infotainment system. We will tell you the cons at the end of this video. Engine. Engine type, 2.0 liters. Engine power, 434 horsepower at the 6,800 revolutions per minute. Torque, 405 pounds-to-foot at 1,900 revolutions per minute. Fuel type, gas. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Body type, SUV, gearbox 7-speed. Available in following colors: black, white, carmine red, Carrera white metallic, chalk, cherry metallic, coffee beige metallic, custom color, dolomite silver metallic, frozen berry metallic, frozen blue metallic, gentian blue metallic. Performance. Acceleration, 4.1 seconds. Mileage city 17 miles per gallon. Mileage highway 22 miles per gallon. Here we are discussing the features of Porsche Macan GTS 2023. Features include cruise control, climate control, power steering, air conditioning, and cup holders. The safety suite is bolstered with safety features including keyless start, lane keeping assist, child safety door lock, and stability control. Here are the cons of Porsche Macan GTS 2023. Expensive for the class. Small cargo hold. Below average fuel economy. Expected price. Price in United States. Porsche Macan GTS 2023 in United States of America is $57,500. Porsche Macan GTS 2023 price in Germany is DEU 77,097. Porsche Macan GTS 2023 price in Australia is 79,710 Australian dollars. Porsche Macan GTS 2023 price in Nepal is NPR 10,942,800. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Porsche Macan GTS 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.